Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Good morning. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? We ready? Who juicing? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, chat. Good morning, Lions. Happy Wednesday. Happy CPI day. Who ready? Are we prepared? We strong? Let's go. Hola, Meren. Buzzo, good morning. How are we doing? Shout out to Buzzo. Ludo. Dick Flex. Indolion. Divivox. Damon. PSG. Stand up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Indolion, how are we doing? Hit him with the goose. Lil X. Maybe Band-Aid. Good morning. Vieira. Shaggy. Jose. I see. Pavel. Calling Noob. Shout out Calling Noob. Ace. Let's get it. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bugs, good morning. How are you doing? TD. Samurai. Dick Flex. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We ready for CPI? How's it looking? How's it looking? We getting some more rate cuts in 2 weeks? Time will tell. CPI will help. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did they cancel CPI? Ado, come here. Come here. Hi. Good morning. Hi. Are you feeling better?
Yeah, but I cried so much.
You cried so much?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Hey, love you. Say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you going to help me this morning? So,
Yeah.
can you say juice? Say juice. Can you say Bugatti?
No.
You say Let's go. How about hot dog? Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Juice, 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 juice. The math is the math. Can you say it's too easy?
It's too easy.
No. No. Let's go. We have my assistant here helping. Yeah, we had a rough night. All right, love you, baby. I'll see you in a little while. Big cheers. Sorry for the little delay. Got to do it though. That's what we do this for. Baby Mandalo. Let's go. Yeah. Are they having CPI or what? I need an exclamation rewind. Shout out to the YouTube. Exclamation rewind. Exclamation dashboard. Excuse me. We got French CPI today. That came in at expectations. Exclamation Forex Factory. It doesn't look like we're having CPI. This is a huge cachoya. They dropped it again. We're going to do it tomorrow. Hilarious. Get caught up. All right, well, they pushed it back. Yeah, the shutdown, but the other day they were still showing it. They were showing it for today. Fuck it. We're grinding. Well, I guess we all got up early for juice. Who juicing? So the only major Vala this week will be for possibly monthlies on Friday. Yeah. Well, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Tony Soprano. Shout out to Sopranos. All right. Well, the math is the math. We got bad highs. ETH cleaned all of its single prints. So that was cool. At least all the local ones from Sunday. Equal lows. I'm not saying buy. I'm not saying to do anything. Shout out to Hidaki. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bobby Taxi Pedals, good morning. We juicing, we juicing, we juicing. Canvas, welcome to Lion Cub. Michael Young, welcome to Lion Cub. Good morning, Nico. Let's go. Well, we still have some other juice today. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. Got some beautiful indicators, got some Gucci education, and they have a free video dropping this morning, and we're going to premiere it on stream. You guys cool with that? You guys want to see it? It is on single prints. Shout out to Stick Flex. Big cheers. Big cheers. Yeah, you guys want to see a video? It's only a minute long. Hey, they got some juice. They got some juice coming out. Yeah, it's just a little taste. If you haven't seen their education, at least the previews for it, exclamation CoinWise, coinwise.com. Yeah, it's the indicators that we're using. Their education is really starting to ramp up. A lot of things in the pipeline. And you know your boy is getting a little touches in on that. Have to, right? Anybody that's known me for a while knows that I started with some pretty janky YouTube videos, but I really enjoyed nerding out and sharing with the Lions, and that's one of the reasons that I had the opportunity to be in front of you now. Yeah, so let's get it. So how's it looking? Who's in longs? Raise your hands. KIMBA is back soon. I don't think he even knows exactly when he's going to come back. Let's go, my chat. Who's in shorts? It's kind of like range trading until one or the other breaks. Yeah, and that 114 level, pretty important. 113.7. Right here. In the past 2 days, it looks like it's been more important than we appreciated, doesn't it? That was the level we had to break out from before, though. Way back here. That was holding us down. And broke it and went. Yeah, 110 was holding. 110 was pretty nice yesterday, wasn't it? Shouts to everybody that caught that one. That was a good little move. JP, nice. Marin. We are going to the right, and we're cleaning that right here. Previous day value area low, 111.3-ish. We got a lot of bad lows below us. A whole lot. And CME still hasn't, RTH hasn't cleaned what it needs to. Maybe. It doesn't need to do anything, though. So we could bounce a value area low. We'll get it on some nerd out vibes for a few minutes. You guys getting any music? No. I am. Is it too quiet? I can't even tell. Can you hear anything? Nico, let's go. Canvas 2 milli. Tivinal. Good morning. Thank you. It's really low. People wanted to hear my voice more the other day. We don't need it too loud. You can barely hear it. There, it's something. All right, 8:30. The testnet numbers are out. The lack of numbers are out. Let's go. Yeah, a lot of shorts. That was a good low. Front run the golden pocket. Clean those lows, but did not hold it. It's only a 30-minute candle. Government shutdown is strong. Yeah, and Coinbase, even on Friday, that low, it was a crazy candle, crazy vol day. But that cleaned a little bit. It didn't clean everything. So it's possible. Anything is possible. Now you're hearing it really low. Is it too low? Yeah, the CME low is good, but that low is no good. And all the proximity with the other adjacent lows, not super great. Structurally, this is the 105. That's what it links up with, the structure right there. Crazy, huh? How adjusted for contract change speed. Like the adjusted doesn't really make much of a difference way that far back. You know, that was in June, July. Unadjusted. Unadjusted, it looks a little bit more like that. And so it matches up. Matches up a lot more closely with spot and features. Yeah, and this level right here. Look at that beautiful price action on ES. Clean that first single print. Yeah, to be honest, I was a little bit surprised to see S&P, or to see ETH go and take out all those single prints, but you know, London session right off the open, and the math is the math. Yeah, a lot of times when you have a whole lot of single prints in one grouping, it at least one of them will hold. Usually it's like the first one that gets cleaned, unless it's gonna be like a full move. But like cleaning and going, it's just like filling an inefficiency. And Bitcoin has a whole lot. We got 5 single prints above us, right above us. Yeah, there was 7 that ultimately held in that move, and we came back and cleaned up a couple of them. There's a lot in the lick maps too. Shout outs to Market Monkey. Yeah, there's been like kind of a war of the big traders botting it up. Got a little bit of a RTH gap still to fill. Down to the 110. Yes, Hidaki. I mean, I sold at 125.8. But I still hold some. I just took some profits. You want my voice more? Is that better? Thanks, Buzz. Is that better? Thank you. We'll get this. We'll get this. You know, it's kind of like standard operating procedure for Mandalo. I'm just hoping I don't break anything later when we watch the premiere on YouTube. Exclamation coin wise, it's gonna be dope. They got some sick education coming out, a whole lot of juice coming. And their indicators are Bugatti. Yes, exclamation coin wise. If you haven't given them a shot yet, you're seeing RTH and ETH gaps here. TPO and PVP shows single prints and value areas. We got TPO value areas on the TradFi charts. And then we have levels and VWAPs. And VWAP is part of the levels. They have settlement marked automatically, so we don't have to like spend our day trying to manually mark it after checking CME website at midnight New York time. It's juice. Yeah, and a whole lot more. They got order flow. But this price action is what I was talking about. Like, goddamn, that is ugly. But kind of standard for ETH. With lack of volatility events, what are we going to do? Yeah, Mouse like. Yeah, it is. It's juice. Yeah, you can start the free trial if you haven't given it a shot yet. See what you like about it. See which indicators suit your preferences, suit your style. I use a lot of them, all of them, on stream. Some more heavily than others. But yeah, it's juice. They have templates also. Yeah, trading journal coming. Ton of education coming. Let's go, Jamaica. Good morning. Bounce it, Gucci Romo. Yeah, they have a whole set of single prints from free to pro coming out. And a whole lot more. That's dope. Let's go. Who was there for this talent show last night? That was really juice too. Yeah, some good songs. I like that intro. The thing was crazy. That metal song. We live in this bee. Yeah. Let's get it. Roy Moore, good morning. How we doing? So S&P is just filling the inefficiency. Maybe we get it up to here. We'll see what Bugamas have to say once the market opens. Exclamation dashboard for the stream schedule. Exclamation Discord for announcements. exclamation dashboard. Get your UIDs in. Check out some of the great exchanges and tools that we have in there. Get your UIDs in to be eligible for giveaways. Exclamation YouTube. Make sure you're following the YouTube and commenting on the videos and the X. It's exclamation Twitter. You know. We got some spooky things gonna happen for Halloween. Yeah, it should be a good time. You saw the thumbnail on YouTube, maybe. Had Mandalo in the vampire outfit. That was pretty juicy. ETH holding previous day value area low. Highs are terrible, lows are terrible. We're just sat in this range. Yeah, accepting back under the 118 level was just like maybe more maybe a little bit more important than some of us gave it credit. Send your Solana. Solana was holding pretty well. That 193 level. We'll check it out in a minute. Yeah, we're gonna go down the list. Especially since we don't have anything to do for Vala for CPI. Yeah, I got another talent show tomorrow. It's gonna be juicy. Who's ready for that? Who's got your lyrics in? Exclamation talent show. Submit your lyrics, get your songs out, and have a chance to win some Latuche. I mean money. That's cabbage, right? There we go. I got to get my like 1920s language. Nah. Did we watch Powell yesterday? It was just the IMF thing, wasn't it? Those things are always like nothing burgers. Yeah, it's value area low. And it's right around previous day value area low. Right above the 7.5, I think, is what we like calculated. Yeah, right. So right between the golden pocket and the 7.5. 111's not really a significant level. Like 110.6 was. 110 is more important. For that previous range, it was a big resistant, and it was a previous all-time high. Shout out to PSG. Yeah, Jay Becker, let's go. Let's go, Gucci Romo. Get yourself some songs made. Yeah, was it Yeah that's been submitting for every single one of them? Shout out to Yeah. Yeah, and Yanthro, always putting them in. Juicy. Good morning, appreciate you. Let's go, G Jones. If the outlets cover the speech on sentiment based on every F word, well, that's me too. I have a potty mouth. Let's go, Yanthro. Good morning, Curvies. How are we doing? I'm gonna stay Jamaica for the first half hour of market open. Yeah, I'm not gonna just like be like, oh fuck it, we don't have CPI anymore. Yeah, see, I told you. Nah, no CPI, so like later. Nah, we're gonna do like a full run of TA and everything. Look at some stuff. Dude, Market Turb, I just like did a double take when I read the KIMBA AI. Welcome to the KIMBA gang. It did not look like that. I was like, wait, what? It looked like Master something. I don't know. I got a like dirty mind. I'm still 14 at heart. Shamas, let's go. Yeah, Jamaica, I'll be here for a little over an hour probably. Yeah, but I have to book it out of here like really right hard stop at 10 New York time. Yeah, next week my schedule is changing a little bit as well. And then we have in 2 weeks from today. I know, maybe Band-Aid. I'm fucked up in the head. That's what you saw too? Let's go, George. Or G Jones, my bad. Yeah. Relax. I know. It's just like programmed, I guess. Yeah, next week the schedule is changing, and the week after we have FOMC. They're not going to cancel that one. Let's go. Happy 420. Good morning. Raise your hand if it's not morning for you anymore. Yes, there will be a return of the exclamation commands. I know, I miss them too. Yeah, I think just kind of keeping the wheels on the car and keeping it running was the main objective, and then like kind of building what we were able to from there until KIMBA returns. Yeah, so like things that would obviously jeopardize the integrity of the stream, like Mandalo's gonna break it. We probably don't want to let him have that opportunity. I have hard enough trouble like turning OBS on. Yeah, it's a little bit more than just like regular old click and go. It's testnet. It's got to be testnet. It's got to be testnet. It's got to be testnet. I've been enjoying it too. Thank you, Happy. Big cheers. Yeah, it's been cool. Yeah, we all miss them. Shoutouts to the We Miss You KIMBA song. Shitcoins port. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, there were actually 3 single prints. This is tailored to Bitcoin. So changing your tickers, you have to adjust your tick size or your row size for like TPO based indicators as well, because ETH is worth less. You don't want it for like $2 rows. You might want it for a different number. But there were a couple additional single prints that would be visible. They were tiny, but there were 3 if we go minimum tick size. There's one right there, one right here, and there was like a baby one right here, I think. Yeah, and you can see it on like, if I change my row size, but I don't want to do it for, and have to change it back for Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't remember where it was. Yeah, it was there. It was just so baby. And it might have just been on Binance. Yeah, I missed it. It was like this. Ugh. It's so microscopic, dudes. Look at that inefficiency, the inefficiency of the market. Like, oh my gosh. It obviously had to get filled because people were so wrecked from here to there. There we go. How big is that single print? It's like 15 cents. Oh, nope. It was 48 cents. It was there. Oh no, it was 70 cents? Juice. Juice. Shout out to KIMBA. Good morning, ready? How we doing? Happy Wednesday. Big cheers to you all. Yeah, if you're just joining, we got some juice from CoinWise coming out today. They got a whole lot of juice coming out. Yet their indicators continue to be dialed in more and more. Just refining that beauty and that juice that they provide. And then they have some new things coming in Trading Journal in the works? Question mark? I keep hearing things. That would be super juice. Education's got a whole lot of shit coming out. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. We're gonna watch exclamation CoinWise. Check it out. You wish your indicators were on point? Well, exclamation CoinWise and try it out. See what you can do with it. The awesome thing about it is if you don't have premium trading view, that you can use like their TPO indicator and like the volume profile things and whatnot. You can work and it like the CoinWise indicators like combine several indicators in one, and ones that for some of them are only available in premium trading view. So like you can kind of hack the system or like bypass that that barrier and get the information with like the regular unpaid trading view or like the basic plans. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Clearly I have like 19 indicators on this chart that I don't even use. It's only the CoinWise ones that I'm displaying, I think, right now. Because it's already like so much information. You know, you see like there is a lot of stuff. This is an important area for ETH. It was an important area for Bitcoin structurally and whatnot. 4110 has always been an important level. It's been an important level for a year now for ETH. Well, almost a year. Yeah, it was a big resistance level, so it's natural for us to kind of respect it. And same thing for Bitcoin, like 112, 110. Very, very important level. Now, arguably 107 had been... What in the hell? I need to find my phone. Jesus. I know. That was an alarm to remind me about like the premiere later, and it's like front running something else. Like, fuck's sake. I wake up before my alarm every day anyway, and I always have to like scramble to turn it off because I forget about it. Woke you up for years? Yeah. playlist even went off when I did that. Yeah, Latisse. Good morning. How we doing? Yeah, sorry. It is. It's packaged into one thing. It's dope. Yeah, even their essential or their basic plan has some real juice. Yeah, it's beautiful. And you get the templates that you don't have to try to figure out how to use it. You can kind of like dial it in from what some of their team has developed for layouts and whatnot. Yeah, it's juicy. Okay, so E4100 is a big level. We just cleaned up a whole lot here. That's a bad high though. And that was the second important level from the before the dump. Yeah, if we can turn that into support, then, you know, cleaning up like the 44, 4500 is on the table. Those lows are bad. And they pumped it yesterday. They pumped it yesterday. A lot harder than Bitcoin. I don't like those lows, but I mean, that was like kind of a bullish retest. Maybe it comes back to previous day value area. Low. Yeah, they pumped the shit out of it there. On Sunday, was it? Yeah. Yeah, shout outs to all the longers. Let's go, Pipeline. Jedi's Kirk, let's go. Mr. Dick Flex. Always fall and grow. Rui. It'll probably be a little bit of a reaction in my opinion. But you know what it also means? If there's no rate cut at the end of this month, then it pretty much guarantees that the next two will be. Or wait, there's only one more after this, isn't there? Only one more meeting? December, like, 7th or something? What's that date? I think I marked it on my calendar already. But it's like, I think second Wednesday in December. Might be the first one if it's like... maybe the 10th? I don't think it's the 3rd. They're not going to come right back from Thanksgiving. 2026 calendars? Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo. It's on the 9th and 10th. Damon, shout outs to you, brother. Always prepared. PSG is always prepared. Let's go. Happy Wednesday, Trishul. Glitch, let's get it. MEXC at 83. Good morning. VV has. Let's get it. Yeah, we're just vibing out. We've been here since like 8:15 because we were ready for CPI. Did you miss CPI? Did you see it? It was juice. I'm just kidding. We fucking didn't have CPI today. Shout out to the hourly close. Who wants prediction points for market open? Stand up. Let's get it. Exclamation, get caught up. Exclamation, you watch the highlights? Exclamation highlights. Dude, we're all wrecked here. Some of the lanes were prepared. Mandalo clearly was not. But it's standard. It's standard. I like this song. Man, my bedroom TV died 2 days ago. It was a good run. Shout outs to same day deliveries. Yeah, that's the only way I can turn my brain off at night is just to like turn it on and I fall asleep like that. Mrs. Mandalo hates it. But she's the phone scroller type at nighttime. Yeah, any of you fall asleep scrolling on your phone, like social media or something? Dude, it was Samsung. My office TV died earlier in the year. That was an old one. And then my bedroom just did, and that was like 6 years old, 7 years old. Both Samsung, so. Yeah, but they weren't like the super high-end ones. Yeah, but dude, TVs are cheap now, dude. I mean, just like normal ones. Good morning, Coke Zero. They got like 98-inch TVs for like $1,000 or something. I was like, man, I don't even have a wall that's that big. That's nice for weed. Yeah, I had this one, and it was like an actual LCD flat screen from like right when they first started making them, Samsung, and it lasted forever. I think it died like last year. But dude, that thing hung in there from like 2008. It was nuts. Yeah, Gucci Romo, let's get it. Good morning, Coke Zero. How you doing? Who juicing? You juicing? Shout outs to PSG. Yeah, we had a super juicy CPI morning today. Kachoya. Kachoy boo-boo-ya. It's 3 p.m. for you? Good afternoon, Doc Meth. 3? I mean, 1 is okay. Just get a big one. Big cheers. All right, ETH. Bad lows, not great highs. It kind of is going to fall a bitty. That's pretty bad right here too, though. So it may just clean that and save that for later. Personally, you heard kind of my thoughts the other day, even in the face of the juice that was there. It was not the greatest thing to lose 118. And we were talking about that on Friday before I got off. Right? Yeah, and if you kind of look at all the stuff that's kind of confluent here, this bounce area, like those highs are terrible. It just got absorbed. Previous month volume and TPO point of control. That's gonna be how I'm gonna do it. So that 117, 118 level, pretty important. Kind of holding value area low. Hanging on for dear life. This is pretty rough using VRVP. But it's easier than trying to hide and turn off a million indicators and then changing it back. And for that much time, one bar isn't going to adjust it significantly enough to not have like a good rough idea. If we want to go from, you know, the first high, sure. Not really change that much. Or the first low. A little bit more. Point of control and value area low down here from that low. That's pretty cool. Just adds to the confluence for that being support. It also adds to confluence for importance if it's lost. That's a big, big span of little fast movement. That's where it was. It was in monthly profiles. I don't even know if I have monthly on here. I was studying monthly levels. Maybe it's in this chart. I'll turn those ones off. Let's go for weed. I know, man. I can't imagine. I have like a 27 and a 34 side by side, but it's not the same. The 34 was like huge when I first got it, and you get used to it. It's nice having the curve on it. Yeah, and if you have it pushed back a little bit on the desk, it's not so bad. It's just nice having all that real estate. Yeah, I can't imagine. Like, my little corner is not big enough for, you know, that much monitors. Just got them crammed in. This is the one that I wanted to look at. And where's my monthly? That's weekly. I probably didn't save it, of course. Well, I don't have it saved, so I'm just going to change it in front of you. I can't stand black and white candles or green candles. It's just so like basic to me. Here's our monthly profiles. Is that monthly? What the fuck? Did I not just change my PvP? Oh, I didn't turn it on. Katoya. I don't need TPO PvP on right now. Current month, previous month. Well, you looky there. Now this wasn't current month value area low until we came down here. It was like way up there. That is previous month point of control. Just like the TPO PVP indicator showed us. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. That's 4-hour candles. Let's see what 1 hour, not even 1 hour close above it. Crazy. Yeah. Asia nicely contained. That sell-off was strong yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah, it's pretty boring right there. It's just range, indecision. And look at that volume. I mean, when you have that one gigantic candle, it kind of dwarfs everything else. When was that? Yeah, right in market close yesterday. And it's pretty normal for ETH. But it looks even like a little bit more reduced than it was. That was a hard sell-off on Tuesday. Yeah, I wonder if I can I wonder if I can get Coinalize up here without breaking stuff. Get EXO up here. No, I don't have it configured. I like turned it off before. Yeah, you're gonna see blank screen. You mean Vance saving the market on Sunday? Latisse? Yeah, seriously. Yeah. Anybody know what's going on with EXO? They like changed their calculations on net longs and net shorts. It's like all fucked up now. Wait, it actually looks better today. It looks like they fixed it. Maybe. Dudes, is that for real? 73 million and 55 million shorts? Way up there? No. It's got to be testnet. Yeah, it's messed up, dude. There's no way there's 5.21 billion, 13 billion in... Is EXO okay? Exclamation EXO. Yeah, I mean, you can see it. You can see the candles, but if you're like trying to read the delta, it will confuse you. Did they change it to contracts? Good morning, Luxlayer. How are we doing? Yeah, exclamation EXO, exclamation BTC Live for some of the streaming tools that KIMBA provides to us. Exclamation Boo Gammas. for the S&P one. Exclamation dashboard to get a handle on all the tools yourself. And you can upload your profile picture. Shout outs to the Liquidity Alliance holders. You can ask a question. I think that still is working. Not that I like don't see your questions. I'm here so short. I wish I was able to be here with you guys longer. Maybe you guys are thankful, but I enjoy it. Yeah, it's not like a bunch of bottom shorts or anything. They cleaned up a little bit of the longs. Coinalize and OBS don't get along. Nope. Well, we'll just go with aggregate. That's so annoying. Let's go mouse like. I know. I really wish I could. I'm doing as much as I possibly can. It's actually more than I should be. But I really enjoy it and gotta juice with the Lions. Yeah, I feel you, Jamaica. Shoutouts to you. Shoutouts Calling Noob. Shoutouts KIMBA AI. When we get a who juice and we got 10 minutes to market open. Fuck it, Coinalize doesn't want to play nice. That looks worse than ETH. I mean, you gotta understand that it was juice. That 1149, or that, oh, I got, yeah, it's like value area. Value area low. This like really throws off a lot of your calculations. That nuke. So what we're gonna do is from there, we're gonna pull an anchored volume profile. Oh wait, that was fixed range. I'm fucking stupid. Just like you would pull a fib or a fixed range or an anchored VWAP. You had the settings the same, but it's only from that point. It's not skewed by anything before there. Yeah, below anchor VWAP. Not super good. Yeah, maybe clean the low. Those lows are all bad. I mean, if Biddy starts pulling back more, that's on the table. Dot. I mean, everything is kind of just like, I mean, that's like a decent high right there. That's not that bad a high. It just got hit so hard. Is it going to be able to make it back up there? I wouldn't be surprised to see some of the wick filled. Not that. This is perps. I forget where I went on Coinbase. I really just need to like replace that one in my watch list. I'm pretty tired of looking at the all the perps that like did what they did. Yeah, that's fine. Those lows are bad though, really bad on spot. Yeah, maybe it cleans that. Did I turn off PvP? Doge. I mean, 22 cents is pretty important for Doge. 16's another level for it from the past, like 15, 16 cents. And it went right there to the pixel. Yeah, these lows, I mean, we kind of already broke structure. Holding, support, get under, resistance. Next. Wow. Couldn't quite clean it all though, huh? Somebody really wanted to sell that one off. Yeah. Good morning. What's an audio rec? Is that me? Do you have double music or something? Yeah, Jamaica. Let's get it. Good morning, good morning. Cool. Thank you. Cheers. Big cheers. Thank you, Buzzo. Thanks, Lux Slayer. Thank you, guys. Yep, lose 16 and 15 is next. Break 16 and 17 is next. Next one. These highs are bad now, even though you have a good TPO high today. You know, even with weak highs, a good TPO high can be a short-term thing, and these lows are no good right there. So maybe it just like dips into 15, like the high 15s, but maybe it goes for some of that. And that's just kind of the same idea as Biddy. We had a whole bunch of bad lows, and a lot of the other coins did too. Same. I mean, dude, you're seeing the exact same chart everywhere. And most of the alts cannot even get back up to like the bearish retest. They couldn't even get up there, even with the bounce that they had. I'm telling you, Friday fucking destroyed the market. It takes some time to recover from something like that. Yeah, so is it gonna reaccumulate down here? And I don't mean just like suey. I mean, in general, are we gonna like have a rounded bottom or something? You know, over a day, a couple weeks, maybe into FOMC? And that wasn't just because of any one thing. Like, that was just a catalyst that helped to accelerate the move. But there was so much leverage in the market that it just couldn't be handled when the cascade started hitting. There was so many bad lows. So you can't just like blame a tweet or some like policy on something. Like, it was selling off for a while already. It hit all-time highs. Like, this stuff, like we talked about it last Wednesday, all-time highs, like bull markets, it's longs are juicy, like it makes it easy, but you get these big sell-offs too. Yeah, wipe out the weekends or some of the leverage. That definitely was a deleveraging thing. Yeah, dude, I did the same thing and I got front ran on all the ones that I chose. All the ones that I didn't fucking went to where I would have put it. I've had some sitting there since January. Moon Farmer. I should have had them like sitting on Kraken too, but I didn't. At 45K, noise. Yeah. Did you get filled on any? Private Max. This is KIMBA, dude. Welcome. Now you know me. I'm just kidding. He's away. He's away for a little bit. Yeah, face reveal. I know, it's like after the fact. I know, G Jones. Dude, I have like... I just got like fun sitting there. Fucking stupid, dude. He's in the Himalaya. The Himalayas. Let's go. Market open. Ding, 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 ding. Oh shit, dude. We gotta do this. We're gonna watch the CoinWise thing in a second. I want to see market open. I'm super excited about the CoinWise video, but we're finally have something to get excited about with price action. Hype, 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 hype. Juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. These are bad lows. That's all good down here, but that's bad. Yeah, maybe 35. I don't know. I'm not calling out levels that I'm like saying put in orders. I'm just saying look for maybe a sweep here. We got to reclaim up here. It's got to recover. Oh shit. Oh shit, I can do it actually. We got 48 seconds. $40 seconds. Can I do it? You guys cool seeing this video real fast? It's 1 minute long. 1 minute and 20 seconds or something. Exclamation Coinwise. Shout outs to them. Ooh, do you still have music? I'm gonna have to mute that. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ideal for momentum.
Ah, I fucked it up.
In the session, they can be identified.
I almost had it.
Single prints are powerful features in TPO profiles, ideal for momentum-based strategies. Formed when price accelerates through an area in just one 30-minute period without returning in the session, they can be identified by a column of single TPOs in the profile. Single prints can be detected in any charting platform with TPO, but tools like the Coinwise TPO PVP indicator for TradingView can display the entire zone highlighted for quick reference. These zones typically reflect directional imbalances in the market. And during range breakouts, single prints often form when market aggression creates impulsive movements. Single prints are frequently defended and are common areas momentum traders look for fresh positions. Following range breaks, this can cause single prints to act as key support or resistance zones, offering high probability continuation setups. Even if a single print is filled, this doesn't always invalidate the trend, and previous range retests may lead to continuation. Combining single prints with additional confluence greatly improves successful integration with your strategy. Dive into the Coinwise detailed courses to master TPO and single prints and level up your momentum trading.
Yeah. What do you think? Good little start. Dude, their education is juice and it's fucking, they got a lot of shit coming. Let's go. Yeah, that's a clean edit, isn't it? It looks nice. Yeah, they're cooking over there. So stay tuned. Exclamation Coinwise. Damn, Jamaica. Yeah, I cleaned these local bad lows.
In today's day and age, it is pretty much undeniable that video editing
Catharsis. Coinwise. Exclamation Coinwise. Yep, that's the only indicators that I'm using other than just like volume and standard TradingView ones right now. Yeah, beautiful indicators. Yeah, holding that 193 level, pretty important. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, they have a 14-day trial on their suite of indicators. You can use the pro ones, the same ones that you're seeing on screen. They have templates too. So, you know, you can kind of like ease into your setups, like how to implement them. I think so, Unleash. I think so. You know how he is. Like, If that was the case, you know he would be in like a mansion cell block or something. I think that everything is Gucci for him. He's juicing. He's working on some real life things. He's been talking about it for a long, long time. You know, if we've been here for a little while, you know that he's been talking about needing to, you know, take a step back for a little bit. He'll be back though. Failed auction down here. I mean, that's bad lows. On Bitcoin, maybe. Yeah, what do you want to look for? If it's a failed auction, come back and retest that level. But you got to break structure still. We like broke 5-minute structure, and that's it. This is ugly. On Sol, holding the 193 is good, and that's a bad high. Right around our 211 to 221 major important zone. Yeah, and like the 108 to 1, or like the 110 is pretty important for Bitcoin too. But 107 was like the line in the sand. And then 118. Yeah, Bitcoin has a couple of major important levels. 113.7, big level. High time frame, like the 118, like, you know, they tried to hold it, and once it was lost, it was just like game over. Yeah, 110 has been important for a long time. And then holding on the nuke, basically holding 107 on even on spot was a good thing. But so much bad lows down here. That could be absorption too. So it's just like it's parked here. Maybe we'll have a different story when we get some more data. Juice and data. Maybe I'll be able to squeeze in a CPI stream for next Friday. I'll try to. Yeah, I think I have like a work thing that I'm doing on Friday though. Yeah, like my in real life work is like ramped up now, and they're like crushing me. Shitty. But we got a juice. We got a juice. I got a new baby, dudes. That shit's expensive. Shout out to the mothers and fathers out there. Yeah, some of y'all got to see baby Mandalo V1 this morning. She came in to say good morning. Tal's looking okay. I mean, those levels are strong. I don't know if open interest works on it. Near's not looking as good. It's looking heavy. Somebody wanted to see Ando the other day. I mean, that was a good high right there. This is not great. That's good. Good for like getting swept. Hold the single print. Naked point of control down here. Maybe it just grabs that and goes. Get that structure bounce. It's kind of like your flip. Resistance SR flip. Failed auction below with a div. Visibly, I can see a div. Lower low. Right there. Lower low and higher low on CVD. AVAX got back about that 21 that we were talking about. Yeah, it's like the same thing everywhere. Wait for Biddy. And we have market open, so let's look at the TradFi. Does anybody want to see anything? Like every single coin is doing the same thing basically. Some of them are doing less than others.
How can I miss a trade?
Anybody have like a strong coin that you want to see? Token Goof, shout outs to you. Yeah, tiring, dude. I am not sleeping. And Mrs. Mandalo is sleeping less. But at least she doesn't have to work, so... Yeah, let's look at gammas. Exclamation gammas. Exclamation boo gammas, my bad. Shoutouts to the dashboard. Exclamation talent show. We're gonna have an Aster Strong. Okay, TD Maz. I'll look at it. I can't display the gammas on stream. I'm signed in to like 4 different YouTube accounts, and I don't know which one is like going to be the right one to show it. The one that I showed the CoinWise video was not the one that I have for my Lion membership. Well, that's a Kachoya. Maybe I'll be able to do it. Before dawn breaks, I'm at the screen prepared. Scanning news, global trends compared. Pre-market insight shape my plan. Economic shifts I understand. Technical patterns on the chart align. Support and resistance, trend lines defined. Executing trades with precision and grace. Risk managed wisely, no capital misplaced. Emotions in check, discipline my guide. Learning from losses, ego set aside. Reflecting post-trade, journaling away. Continuous improvement day by day. How can I miss a trade? It was like 66.10. Sniped entry on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this. Is our biggest one. 67.25. How can I miss a trade? My alerts are set. Sniped entry on a drop. Yeah, there's a huge boot gamma at like 66.10. LTC, I mean, it lost like a lot of the level. And that was like a bearish retest. Lost value, and now like you need to get back up there in the 102 to, I think like the 102 range. Get back above 100, things look a lot better. Yeah. 103, 104. Really where the single print is. Even if it trades into the single print a little bit, I wouldn't expect it to get filled. That thing is gigantic. Yeah, you need like, it's gonna need time to fill in that inefficiency, I think. There's big single prints. They can be like major imbalances that take time to fill. Sometimes you'll see it like just like plow through like all in one go, but it's not very common for that to be the case. A lot of times those big ones, the move holds. Shout out to CoinWise and their single print series coming out. Yep, I'm learning a lot there. Real talk. I got a little touch on that too. Thanks, Mighty T, man. Big cheers. Big shout outs to CoinWise. Big shout outs to all of the Lions. RIP El Salvador. What happened, Moon Farmer? Moon Farmer. Time flies. Dude, mine is 3 and 2 months old. Almost 3 months old, I guess. Yeah, a couple weeks. He sleeps a little better, the 3-year-old. She's not sleeping well. She's doing good adjusting though. She's doing great. Look at this. Yes. Alright, let's get it on RTH. Dip the tip. And same thing on ES. Just the opposite way. We've seen that before. Coin wise, RTH ETH gaps indicator looking nice. Shout outs to y'all. Yeah, try out your yeah, it was 6610 on, and that's index. It's index gammas. It's not on ES. 6610 and 6725, I think. Agar looks like it's flying. My baby wants a Bugatti. I mean, it seems pretty natural for that 6700 area. Maybe it makes it to the next single print. I don't know. I think it's going to take a little bit more, but you know, we got monthlies for some sets of contracts on Friday. Right? You like Range's Cuca Deliciosa? Yeah. Yeah, it's a 6720, like pretty much right where the single print is. 6725, and then like 6610 area. So like right in that single print. It's not even really a single print. It's off of the what's going on there? I guess it is. No, it's not. Can't even see it with this initial balance. Shit. Give it a second. Ooh wee. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Juice, 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 juice. The math is the math. It's too easy. It was a single print, I guess. Yeah, 6600 is pretty important. Which platform? You mean for trading? Exclamation dashboard. I'm on a lot of those exchanges. I'm actually on all those exchanges, but I'm actively trading on about half of them. Yeah, I like a lot of them. Yeah, and I got I got funds on all of them, but it's this is TradingView, and I'm just using CoinWise indicators. This is Bitcoin CME futures. This is S&P index. We were just checking the gaps on the index price because we were looking at the gammas for kind of getting a feel for the flows today. And I'm so like deficient with operating OBS that it would be a cachoya. It'd be a big. It looks like the order flow is not like super bullish on ES right now. But it would be a cachoya if I try to like show it on screen. It would be operator error. I already know it. Those of you who have been here for a little bit can confirm. Yeah, and so the platform or the indicators that I'm using, this is RTH and ETH gaps. We're in regular trading hour session, and so there was a gap between yesterday's settlement close and today's market open. They didn't fill the gap. It was a play called gap fill and go, or dip the tip. If we fill the gap, it fills the inefficiency and rebounds. Sometimes it just fills and keeps on continuing in the direction of the gap. This is a test of the gap and holding. When you get closes outside of there, that's when you know, the reversal has more confluence, or is more trustworthy, I guess you can say. But you got to have at least a couple of higher time frame closes, and we're just in the initial balance right now, the first hour of market open. So just kind of early in the session, it's hard to like really place too much weight in like that first hour move. Value still being established for the day, and with the importance and the amount of volume that is associated with 0-day trading, you know, kind of like let the dust settle and assess the initial balance and see where we go from there. Sometimes the moves are completely sustained. There's different strategies for daily opens and initial balances. Yeah, and then there's like some levels here. This is VWAP, that's daily, that's weekly VWAP. I mean, you see we're sandwiched in between those two. And we lost previous day VWAP and rejected weekly VWAP yesterday. This current daily session VWAP, we've been trading for 20 minutes, so it's not like really something that we're looking too strongly at. But for ETH session, which has been trading since 6 p.m. New York time yesterday, we're below it. That's not super great. You got RTH gap like partially filled below us. I changed the chart view to ETH session. Here's adjusted for contract changes. It doesn't make much difference in the short term, especially since we're in the middle of the month. But when we get later in the month, there are like big contract closing that can make a difference. Yeah, S&P once more, it looks like, kind of. The order flow didn't look super bullish, and that 67.20, it might just be like a fill and go. Yeah, there was supposed to be CPI today, and it didn't happen. Yeah, that, the order flow, it's Agger. Yeah, exclamation tools. I think exclamation Agger will take you to it, but you can customize it quite a bit, and it shows a full chart. It has a full chart on there, and they have some indicators on it. It's just like the drawing tools and stuff, like I don't think it has much. But they have some cool community indicators. Yeah, it's nice, it's free, it shows the order flow, you can like tailor it for the delta and everything. Crash wick fill. Yeah, I mean, I think that there's not like, oh yeah. I think it's the V3 one that is the really juice one. That's the one that I like. Yeah, and people will like customize a lot of templates. Some of them are like out there. Exclamation Discord, you might be able to find some. Or talk to some of the lions that have like made it for themselves and can give you some ideas if you haven't found anything. Yeah, but it's always worth like kind of trying to tinker around with it to get what you like also. Yeah, 102. I like 102 also if things get bearish, but I don't see a flash wick happening really. It wiped out so much leverage. I don't see like a repeat of the other day in the near term. Just so much of the open interest was wiped. So much liquidity was grabbed in perps. It's got to build back up. $83rd. Good morning. How are you? Big long today. Let's go. Let's go. I like 30-minute closes and higher time frames than that. Yeah, 5 minutes for just for low time frame execution. Yeah, and that tapped that golden pocket on on spot. Value area low, previous day value area low, and golden pocket tap. Yeah, this is all CoinWise over here. This is RSI, CBD, net longs and shorts, open interest aggregate, buy and sell, delta, and this is relative volume. Some of them are aggregate, some of them are not. I think that I have relative volume aggregate, and in the buy and sell, it's just on the pair that is displayed. Shout out to CoinWise. Yeah, they keep making it better. Oh, KIMBA box. KIMBA box. 618 to 786. Yeah, shout outs to everybody that got filled there. 83rd. Yes, Swollen. Let's go. Shout outs to 83rd. It just feels weird saying that, but it's funny to me. Pump or Yarix, let's go. Shout out Swollen. Shout out Adam Angeles. Yeah, I like the 30 minutes for TPO. And a lot of strategies that are at least based on market profile and like low time frame or intraday strategies. Kind of have a framework from market profile, and 30-minute candles are important for that. So like 2+ candle closes is one piece of confirmation for a move or a reversal or whatever you want to call it. And then you know, you have your other confluence. I like higher time frame as well though, so especially during like RTH, I'll like look at the hourlies, and then regardless of the time frame, I like it 4 hours. And great big hug, great big kiss. Okay, come here, baby. Come here. Great big hug and a great big kiss. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Great big hug and a great big kiss. Thank you. Love you. I can't come out yet, honey.
You want to?
I'll be on in a minute, okay?
I
They're way far away.
No, I want to go on this.
You're that silly. Can you put little D down?
No.
All right, well, you gotta sit here still. Look at mama. Look at mama. Can you go real fast?
No.
I gotta go to work. Yeah, I know. Yeah, sorry, Lions. Let's go. Indo Lion, shout outs to you. Oh, you want cookies? You want what? Oh, yeah, okay. Bye-bye. Love you. Oh, juice. Come on, let me hear it. Yell it. Juice. Juice. Let's go. Did you hear it? Juice. Let's go. Yeah, sorry guys. I know. I should have locked the door, but you can't. I want to, dude, anytime I'm in the office, like just periodically, walks through the door, I want to give you a great big hug and great big kiss. Yeah. That's what it's all for, man. Amazing. Yeah, big cheers, y'all. Yeah, thanks for your patience, y'all. Yeah, you can't say no to that. Come on. Family comes first. Like, dude, that's what it's all for. Yeah, if you don't have kids, you don't, you know, it's different. I thought that I felt that way about like a dog when I was, you know, before kids and stuff. It's so different. People like are like, oh, it's so different. You just don't understand until it happens to you. But it's like the best is the best, especially when they're young, before they resent you and hate you and just want to get back at you. Yeah, Endo Lion, for real. Yeah, even like at this age, 2 months old, I have a son too, which I'm blessed and very grateful. But it's different, like, dude, I'm not gonna be like, oh, let me give you a great big hug and a great big kiss. It just feels weird to me. I don't know. Daddy doesn't love me. Yeah, but it's all juice. It's just different. Hot dog. Did you hear her say juice? Yeah, I feel you, Shaggy bro. Exactly. Yeah, I can't do it. It's hard enough to just shut the door. I don't want to discourage. That's why I'm at home a lot, is to be with them. Before kids, I had a job that I was like literally never home, and now I have like a lot of my work I'm able to do from home. Yeah, that's the beauty of trading too. One of the reasons that I enjoy it a lot is I'm able to be around. Yeah, big pride of Lions into Lion, don't you? Big cheers. Yeah, if you got filled on that KIMBA box, you know, can't lose. Yeah, we were talking about that value area low previous day and a range value area low and golden pocket being 3 pieces of confluence. You know, you want the more boxes that are there, the more significant the level is. Even if it wasn't the low, you know, you got your stops moved up. Yeah, there's quite a few bottom shorts. Yeah, even through this like sell-off through here, it wasn't super aggressive bottom shorts. Let me pull up XO. Not really. Yeah, there's still nothing on XO. Yeah, they're still in and profits right here. A lot got stopped out at the highs. Yeah, there was some that took the, like, it looks like they took this one and then they like closed immediately. Yeah, right at the POC. But it's $1,000 short. 33 million closed there. Right here.
Dodge losses, stack wins hard to find. Made traders, cop biggest bags they find. Charts up.
7 to 4 work. Jamaica, shout outs to you.
Blaze fire, profit smell like pun. In chat with PSG, pop the trade, now we geek.
Yeah, Jamaica, let's go. What are you getting it in?
Sleep. Cook markets, hands smell like kimchi.
I have a doctorate.
Proud and please, cop gains Louis V.
No cap.
Rounds, 100 rounds, more bands. Turn around after turn around.
Yeah, that's a lot. It's a lot. I got a lot of things going on. Yeah, mine's not on anything that's useful for trading, but it did teach me how to learn.
Diamonds round my wrist, I'm worth some.
I've always been like that though.
Them don't play with me, I'm worth something. Get your trades up, testing it ain't worth nothing. Forget if that trade a good look, I'm looking better. Richer than bosses.
Yeah, and you have so much tools at your disposal now. It's amazing.
Losses like you, but took them better. Chopper KIMBA got, ain't got propellers. Add me up, M on me, can't tuck it.
Shout outs JV.
Pull up and butt.
Shout outs Jamaica. Shout outs to anybody that's in school.
Cocky puck shit.
You know, trying to learn and improve. And shout outs to CoinWise helping people get some trading education. Yeah. Shout outs to PSG for nerding out all the time. Let's go PSG. Stand up. Yeah, we're about to wrap up. Already went beyond my hard stop level. You got the Pixel Pico fucking bottom, Checkster. Let's go. Where did you get filled on that one? Well, this is Coinbase. Probably went a little lower. Look at that. Juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. No, I got front run. I got front run. I had a bunch of orders, but it was all like spot orders. Thank God I didn't like just have stink bids on all of the shit coins and stuff, because I would have just like gotten filled and liquidated or something, or filled and stopped out immediately. Yeah, I didn't have anything like that. I had a bunch of spot stink bids, but like most of them didn't go to where I wanted. Yeah, but I got it on a little bit of things after the big liquid. Yeah, we lost a major level though, so kind of looking for the reclaim or looking for possibly more. We've been like analyzing the retest over the past few days, and you know, it's it feels strange to say you kind of want to see a reclaim of levels before you really start to get interested, because you know, it's a lot cheaper than it was, but cheap doesn't always equal a good deal. So I wouldn't like ape full port on anything. Certainly not right now. Did you get filled on anything, Lapid? Yeah, there are some juicy ones to be had. Yeah, some people got in on DOT at like $1. Yeah, shout outs PSG. Let's go, Jay Becker, Dan Green, Yanthro, Damon. Shout outs Maestro. Shout outs Shazaman. Shout outs Jamaica. Juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. It's got to be testnet. We're right back to the VWAP and previous day VWAP, same level. Yeah, if it accepts back inside, you might have another little bit to go. It's $1,000. You know, that's a good little trade. If you got filled around 111, getting up to the value area high for the daily, it's $2,000. That's a nice move. Yeah, maybe that's all it needed to clean these highs. You got to flip 113.7 for anything to be sustained. Otherwise, probably some more ranging. Yeah, maybe, probably around value area high would be an interesting area to, if it gets beyond point of control. But there's a lot of confluence right here for this to be resistance. We get up here, you know, that it's more likely that it'll take those highs, but we have so many already that, you know, maybe it's just being absorbed by somebody just kind of passively getting filled or selling into it. Yeah, it didn't really look like that on like all the order flow, but you can't see icebergs the way that you would like to. Let's go Fibception. Yeah, that's juice. That's juice. Yeah, that's the only one that I didn't really look at was Link Fibception. All of them had nice like recoveries. Dot maybe not quite as nice, but yeah, if you're juicing now, yeah, Tau like had a real good recovery. %1 short for now on Solana. Yeah, nice, Jaskier. Good luck. Good luck. It's holding at 193, but below that level. All right, y'all. Any last minute questions before I send it off? Outro.
Started the day with a plan in my mind. Marked up my charts, saw the stars align. Took my first shot, watched it run up high. I knew today would be worth the fight. There were moments I had my doubts. Stops got hit, had to ride it out. But through the losses, through the gains, every move just made me change. How do I say goodbye?
Yeah, you're probably getting double sound.
Watch the candles rise, saw the levels shine. Took my trades, played my hand. It was all divine. But for now, I close my screen. Till next time.
Maybe my headphones died. I don't know. Sounds good. All right, cool. Let's go. Yeah, JV. Yeah. He probably would like to have a good idea about when he's going to be back, or like really have something significant to update us with. Otherwise, you know, he's just going to grind until he's ready. But yeah. 5 minutes for reading open interest. I like volume candles, Adam. But I'll look at like the 15 for the OI. Just kind of like quick views. And then, you know, if I'm doing TPO analysis, then of course I go to the 30. Yeah, WizTard, I've been here for 2 hours. Yeah, we came on for CPI. It was juice. Did you see the numbers? It was fucking sick. Yeah, it was Bugatti. There's our CPI candle right there. There wasn't CPI today. It got pushed back to next week. Exclamation dashboard. Get your UIDs in. You know, check out the tools and everything. If you have a profile picture that you like to change, see your avatar going across the bottom of the screen. That's Juice too. Exclamation merch. If you want to get some sick gear and coffee mugs and all kinds of drip. Yes, JV. I know they're working on some stuff. I don't know exactly what they're working on, but I hear that they're working on some things. Yeah, maybe KIMBA will have an update when he's comes back. But hopefully we get some more NFT things before then. Yeah, I know. I'm with you. Yeah, I'm a Laquania Lions whale. No, but I hold a handful of them. Yeah, this trade, 100x, let's go. I don't think he's going to say that. I don't think he's going to say that, but he might be like, what do you mean you didn't get filled at 102K on that wick? What are you talking about? We've been planning for this for months. Exclamation rewind. Watch the highlights. Yeah, go play with the CoinWise, dude. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. I know a lot of the Lions are juicing on it. Shout outs to PSG. You're the top 9 whale on Laquanian Lions. Let's go. Yeah, there's a couple of Lions that are like legit whales on there. That crazy wig stopped out as so long. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, he had time to get back in another one and held that 170 level. Yeah, 102K, it's kind of like that value area low. It's an important area, and it was even an important area like back from December. It was resistance and then support and all that. Not quite as significant as the 107K, but that was a good area. And then really for like the entire range, if you look in like a daily or a weekly chart, since we came up here, I think it's like 104K is the coin control. I don't remember where I saw that on. It might be from here. No, it wasn't that one. Still, even from like July, that 117. Maybe it was from like when we came up here in November. Almost a year ago. Can you believe it? Yeah, that's pretty interesting. It moved up a little bit, but it still is way down there. And then from the bottom in April, the point of control is still 118. That's crazy. And I want you to see this. That's the anchor VWAP from the bottom on Coinbase. I mean, it's gotta be testnet. I didn't like draw this line. That thing's been there for like months. That's juice. So you have like a lot of stars aligning at that level for it to be important. It really is a juicy, juicy tool. Amazing. From the bottom at 74K. Yeah, from April. It's got to be testnet. The low was 74,420.69. Which one of you lions got filled there? You motherfucker. Yeah, for real. For real, Curvies. Shout outs to all of you. Mark, Curvies, Wiztard, Fibmath, Pedro, Latisse, Mark, Adam, JV. Let's go, let's go. Shout outs to all the mods and admin. Shout outs to Husty. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to Cyper. Shout outs MGK. Shout outs to Buzz, of course. Yeah, come check out the talent show tomorrow. Exclamation dashboard, get your UIDs in, get the full stream schedule. I'll get in here as much as I possibly can. Next week, the schedule is going to change a little bit, but since we got CPI next Friday, I'll try to make it work for that, but just keep an eye on the dashboard. Make sure you get your UIDs in. Shout outs to CoinWise. They got some juice coming. If you didn't see it yet, follow them on X at BCoinWise. Yeah, I think it's at BCoinWise. Yeah, they'll probably be doing some more stuff with that. And I think it's the same handle on YouTube. But check out their indicators. Check out their other things. They got a whole lot of juice coming. Shout outs to the team over there. Shout outs to the developers and the graphics team. Big cheers to all of you. Big cheers and thank you to KIMBA. Hope you're juicing wherever you are. And shout outs to all the Lions. Much love to you all. Have a wonderful day. Shout outs Toddler. Let's go. Shout outs to the NFT enjoyers. Let's get it. Ex Cognitive, VV Paz, Damon. Shout outs PSG. Nitrogen. Hedge Fund. Let's go. Fibception. Inky. Juice up. If you don't use a stop loss, Sato gonna slap the shit out of ya. Lil Axe, 98 Bad Bunnies, Lux Slayer, Calling Noob. Shout out to Calling Noob. Big cheers and big thank you over to the YouTube as well. Superman, Ash, much love. Yeah, sorry I was neglecting you guys. Yeah, Dokong, let's go. Adam. Yeah, sorry I neglected you guys this morning. I'll make it up to you on Friday. Bobby Toxic Pedals, Jedi's Kirk, much love, much love, much love. Big cheers, Wiztard, Latisse. Juice, 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 Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. It's gotta be testnet. It's too easy. All love. Yeah, all love, Adam. Big cheers. Big cheers. Yep, I'll see you guys soon. Ciao. Let's go, Chexter. Get it, get it, get it, get it. All right, much love. I'll catch y'all soon. Lua Bambua.
It's Mandalo.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young lion gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile and volume in time. High healer try to laugh, but